Hello, everyone. I am here with Samantha, my intern from Westfield State University. She's cutting her hours next week because she's going back to school. She's going to be a junior at Westfield State University, so we're going to miss having her around, but we know that she's on to better and wonderful more things. So we have a product of the week. The product of the week is what we call a PB&J scraper and spreader. So I think it's a brilliant item, an idea for, now we're going back to school, you're making those sandwiches for the kids, so you want to have your peanut butter separate from your jelly or your Nutella or your fluff. You don't have to use two knives now, right? You don't have to rinse out a knife in between. All you have to do is spread your peanut butter, and then you have your sandwich, and all you have to do is clean this off. All right, so again, we've got a spreader, a cutter, so I'm gonna do the cutting part, hang on. It cuts your sandwich, which we always used to do sandwiches in fours when we were kids. Does it make it look like we're having more? Okay, so there you are. Something that every household that makes peanut butter and jelly or fluff or Nutella sandwiches you need to have. Okay, so they're $9.95, and this week, which is Wednesday through Saturday, it will be $2 off. All right, thanks for joining me and Samantha.